It has probably been a while since you've seen one of these. That's right, this is a cassette player Walkman. You know, people are loving the old retro look, but this is more than that. You can play your music. It has a built-in speaker system right here. It also does come with like kind of old school looking headphones where you can plug them in and listen to them that way. The main thing is you can plug it in with USB to your computer. It does come with a cable, and you can take those tapes and you can put them on and change them to MP3. So you can basically convert them. So you can do that. If I play too much of the music, I don't want to get any kind of strike, but yeah, so you can play it, you can loop it, you can rewind, fast forward. You have your volume on the side here, or you can even connect this with Bluetooth to your phone, and you can play music through the speakers that way. So it's like that old retro tape look. You can also power this thing with a DC 3-volt right here. It's like comes with a little cable, goes 3-volt to USB, so you can plug that in there and power it that way. Or you can use two AA batteries and power it that way. There's a USB port on the side, and this is where it gets really cool, is that you can put a flash drive onto there, and then with the controllers here, you can hit, play, and then you can record all of your sound from the cassettes onto that flash drive. So you can basically digitize it, go from that cassette tape to MP3, and you can see the buttons on there to do that. On the top, you do have buttons for playing your music for different directions. Like, so if you want like one side of the tape or the other, you can flip it there. You can repeat or loop, and you can have fast forward and rewind just like the olden days. And then you have your volume on this side. So really cool, really compact, very functional, and yeah, it just has that nostalgic tape player vibe. It takes me back to the 90s, that's for sure. It's kind of fun. Actually, really fun. It comes with this nice little bag to put it all in, but a great way to convert your cassettes to MP3s, or just have fun listening to old cassettes that you might have, or just have that nostalgic cassette look and also have a Bluetooth speaker. So it does all of that. It's really good quality and very fun to use. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.